Hello, in this video, we'll talk about method overriding in Java. Method overriding is nothing but implementing a parent class method inside a child class with exactly same signature. Same signature means the child class method must have same access modifier, same return type, same method name, and the number of parameters and their data type should be same as it is in the parent class. Method overriding is an example of runtime polymorphism. Now let us see at the scenarios when we should perform method overriding. There are three scenarios where a programmer should override a method in a child class. First, if the parent class has not provided any method implementation at all. Second, if the parent class has provided partial implementation and in the child class we need some additional implementation. Here in the child class implementation we may call parent class method by using the super keyword. Third, a child class method implementation requires totally different implementation than it is in the parent class method. There are 5 rules to implement method overriding. If the method in the parent class is private, then in the child class we cannot override it. If the method in the parent class is final, then in the child class then we cannot override it. If the method in the parent class is static, then in the child class we cannot override it because the child class method implementation of a static method gets hidden by the parent class method implementation. Second, the child class method must have same or wider access modifier than the parent class method. Third, the argument of child class method must be same as that of the parent class method. Fourth, the return type of the child class method must be of covariant type. 5. If the child class method throws an exception, then that exception should be same or subset of the exception which is thrown by the parent class method. If these rules are not followed, compiler either raises an error or it treats the child class method as a new method. The @override annotation was introduced from Java 5.0. It simply informs compiler that the programmer is intending to override the method from the superclass. The override annotation checks if child class method is compatible with the corresponding parent class method, and if it is not compatible, it raises compile time error. It is not compulsory to write the override annotation, but it is a good practice as it improves readability and reduces human error. So let us look at the example which demonstrates method overriding. Here we have a person class, an employee class, and manager class, and this is the main class. So you can implement this code and observe the output. Thank you.